Hello everyone, myself Vijay, and today we are discussing about a topic known as the biological oxidation, how it takes place, what are the steps which are involved in this, mainly the glycolysis and the Krebs cycle and the electron transport chain are responsible for all these processes. Uh, First of all, what is the biological oxidation? It's all about the breaking of the components like carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins. Yeah, they all go in the body and give energy to the body. Like vitamins, they do not give like energy to the body, but they are essentials. They are required in many like biological processes in the body. So the first of all, we starting about the biological oxidation. It is a complex process that involves the stepwise breakdown of the organic molecules, primarily carbohydrates, fats, uh, and protein to release energy in the form of ATPs. And these ATPs are used in the body in various places and in various form. First of all, the key stage of the biological oxidation is the glycolysis. It occur in the cytoplasm of the cell. It break down the glucose into the two molecule of pyruvate, and it generate a net energy of two ATP molecules and two NADH molecules. After that, this pyruvate is have to go in the oxidation, and this process take place in the mitochondria, or we can say the outer mitochondria. Pyruvate is transported into the mitochondria, and there the pyruvate is converted into the acetyl coenzyme A, releasing the CO2 and NADH positive. After that, the Krebs cycle take place, also known as the citric acid cycle. As the name suggests, cycle. Here, the compound which is going in this cycle, it's get we get after the whole cycle same compound in same form or in the same formula as that compound enter into this cycle, so it is called as the cycle. It's take place again and again. Now we will start with the Krebs cycle. It occurs in the mitochondria matrix. Acetyl CoA enters in this and get oxidized, release the CO2, NADH, FADH2, and a lot of ATPs. And after that, these ATPs or the electrons which are we getting from this, or the compound which are getting from this, they goes to the electron transport chain known as the ETC, which is located in the inner mitochondrial membrane. The NAD and FADH2 donates their electron to the ETC, electron transport chain, and this cycle goes on. As the electron move through the chain, the energy is released, which are used to pump the protons across the membrane, create the proton gradient, which is helpful in producing more energy. The proton gradient drives the synthesis of ATP through the ATPase synthase enzyme, and here the electron carriers are like NADH positive, FAD. NADH positive, a key electron carrier that accepts the electron during the oxidation uh, reaction, uh, becoming the NADH. And we talk about the FAD, known as the flavin adenine dinucleotide, the another important electron carrier that accept the electron and become FADH2, FADH2, H2. Now we goes on the oxidative phosphorylation. In the oxidative phosphorylation is like the process of ATP synthesis, uh, like coupled of electron transport. The energy released from the electron transport is used in the like proton, pump protons. across the mitochondrial membrane. The result, the proton gradient, drives the synthesis of ATP by the help of ATPase synthase. The importance, so what is the importance of like biological oxidation? The first of all is the energy production. These provide the energy needed for the cellular process in the body, like muscle contraction, new nerve impulse transmission, and the protein synthesis. Metabolic pathway involves the like in second is the metabolic pathways. In the metabolic pathway involves the various metabolical processes, includes like glycolysis, Krebs cycle, fatty acid oxidation. These these molecules or these ATPs are used in these processes. After that is the cellular respiration, the process of breaking down the glucose into the like produce ATP. These are the crucial steps which are going on. After that, the uh, like we like little bit more talk about like glycolysis. It is the first step in the cellular respiration. It occur in the cytoplasm of the cell during the glycolysis. Glucose breakdown into the pyruvate and the small and a small amount of ATPs are produced, like 2 ATPs are produced in this. After that is the like the citric acid cycle, or known as the Krebs cycle. It is the second stage of the cellular respiration. It occur into the mitochondria, and the glycolysis it occur into the cytoplasm. Uh, and this occur into the mitochondria of the cell during the citric acid cycle. Pyruvate is further breakdown into carbon dioxide, water, and large amount of ATPs are produced in this, and the acetyl CoA is released after this. Like some of like key points, if we are talking about this, is it is a complex process that involves many different enzyme and the coenzyme for it. um, it is essential for life, as it produces like energy for the cell functioning. So if any of the step or the enzyme which is not present in this may complicate the process and may cause any like disease, or we can say metabolic disease can cause it. uh, that's all for the video. Thank you very much for listening to me. Have a nice day. Thank you.